Loves, good morning. Today I will show you different kinds of Unilever Company merch. Axe roll-on. Meron tayong Axe Black 40 ml. Anti-perspirant deodorant. Unilever brand po yan, 40 ml. Next, meron din tayong Axe Eye Shield, cool and dry. 48 hours anti-perspirant. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Axe Apollo Anti-Sweat Quick Dry 25 ml. Unilever brand po yan. Available po yan sa mga grocery stores, mga malls grocery stores. Next, meron din tayong Axe Dry Gold Temptation 40 ml. Unilever po yan. Roll on. And next, meron din tayong Axe Dark Temptation Anti-Sweat 48 hours Anti-Sweat Quick Dry Anti-Perspirant 25 ml. Unilever po yan. That's it for today's Unilever Company merch videos. Axe roll-on. Available po siya sa small and big roll-on. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merch videos. Respect. Always rise, never give up. God bless us all always. Thank you for watching.